Good evening, everybody. Cash here from Rick Case. Just wanted to reach out to you and give you an overview of the new dash cam on the 26 Palisade Calligraphies. Now, this is the center home screen. You're going to swipe over once, and there's a new dash cam button here. We'll click into that, and it got some legal information that we all read very carefully, and we'll go into the next setting here. Now you can turn on a couple different areas here, on while driving, on while parked, motion detected while parked, driving events will show up, and we have parked events as well on the vehicle. So you can turn these on independently. Now, what happens when you're recording is there is a micro SD card that lives inside the glove compartment on this vehicle, and you have about 80 hours worth of footage storage, from what I read the other day. So as time goes on, that gets filled up. It just rewrites the older footage, and you can access it directly from the vehicle. As always, if you have any questions, give me a ring, 603-858-4511. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Take care.